are pleased to show you the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.